Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikit and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to recover Snapchat streaks. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now launch Snapchat app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, go to your profile by tapping on your avatar that you will see at the upper left corner. Tap on there and then again tap on the settings from the upper right corner. Once you see this interface, scroll down and at the support section, tap on I need help. Once you see this interface, tap on I lost my Snap streak. And now again tap on the second option that says I lost my Snap streak. How do I restore it? Once you tap on there, you will see this interface where you'll get certain information. Now you scroll down and there you will see fill out this form and we will review your request. Now tap on this form link and then again scroll down. In here you will see the form. Type in your username, type in your email associated with your Snap account where you will get an email from Snap. Now under that type in your mobile number including your country code. Scroll down and on the device type in your brand, model or model series of your device. And then again scroll down and there you will see friend's username. Type in the friend's username that you have recently lost your Snap streaks with. And then again you have to provide your date since when you have started having this issue. And below that you have to type in how long was your Snap streak before it expired. And just below that you will see one more question that is optional, so you can skip that or either provide the answer yes or no. And just below that add the description. Once you're done with that, scroll down and then tap on submit, and in here you have to complete the verification. Once you verified, you have submitted a report to Snapchat support, and now wait until you get email from Snapchat and then you will be able to recover your Snap streak. So this is how you can recover Snap streak. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you on next video.